Hello friends, this is Toyota HYRYDER Aero Edition 2025. The Toyota HYRYDER Aero Edition is an accessory package that adds a factory-backed styling kit to any HYRYDER variant for an additional cost of Rs 31,999 rupees. The kit includes a front spoiler, side skirt and a rear spoiler, which are cosmetic upgrades that enhance the vehicle's appearance without changing its mechanical specifications, engine or performance. The Aero Edition package can be added to any variant and exterior color. Aero Edition details: number 1, pricing 31,999 rupees for the accessory package. Number 2, styling kit includes a front spoiler, side skirts and a rear spoiler. Number 3, mechanicals. No changes to the engine, transmission or performance are made. It is cosmetic upgrade only. Number 4, availability. Available on any HYRYDER variant and exterior color. Number 5, interior. The interior features and standard specification of base variant remain unchanged. Standard features include on top of the Aero Edition 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, panoramic sunroof, ventilated leather seats, 360-degree camera, wireless charging, ambient lighting, rear AC vents and reclining rear seats, rear defogger. Thanks to watching video.